How to download videos from Threads app. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that can we download videos from the Threads app. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application Threads app. Alright, so after you open the Threads app, you'll got such interface. So from here, you'll have to choose the video whom you want to download. So after I am selecting the video, and I am clicking on the share icon. So after I click on this share icon, I will be able to see so many options from here. Like I can go with the option feed, link, share to, messenger, WhatsApp, reel and messages. So there is no any official way to download videos from the Threads app. So although you can go with this option message, reel, WhatsApp, messenger and share to. So in this way you can go with this option. So there is no any official way to download videos from the Threads app. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.